Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Just within the space of 1 month, I mean, I've actually lost count, or I'm not even counting, but main Krano, just within the space of 1 month, I said 3 markets. Ashi. Mesremo etiefo answer never to us no. Infonina go ewo screen is no. Entire you produce Emagana for Amoa Broche. Ejuma na ye wa hase no say we need you na person support ye very simple. Link no our description box no. Click it. Na yanka se be ship atare no abrel. Baby a wo ewa Broche bia no. Yanka se be ya abrel. Em say Ghana for a mo ewa Ghana hase so e bisa say omo so atare ne omo de ewa he. Ye be production wo Ghana ye be ma moaso aka now move you so subscribe na click the notification bell no and no end that screen so sisia wo ye ne sa latest post bi aba latest post bi aba won sa ebeka me sorry me can say ye be ma moaso aka me nim twi bi asa twi ni fi ye be ma moaso ate anyway yan konsem ni mu etiefo you see I don't know, but just within the space of 1 month. Obete yes a market we yashi. Obete yes a circle. Obete yes a cantamanto. Obete yes a say. And that the airba and they say Kanishi market. A honso a homachi and a eja a tour Kanishi market. Some part of Kanishi market. Ghana for be na etre wo madwen na as usual no Ghana for be na e the year politics ebimu ka say oh and the political party we na she 3 ebimu so ka say political party we and now you say amaka nation trend e wo social media just because of the fire outbreak e wo Kanishi market. Now I don't know what's happening minim the air coso but that's what is going on. Mekai Emrebi NDC time I think it was either Mahama Mbre and say Atamils, I stand to be corrected. And also a buy pan na market shishi koso obeteni ese market we ashe now we join nkra won ti ase and it's as if that trend is beginning to happen. Some Obekaya, I think it was Mohammed's era. Obekaya at time the investigators wo mu fi America was the nkra by say na ko wo mo mere die ntia market no shishi and it's rather unfortunate say this time around no saadie no asanso epeja ni mu a say eba intino the other one no me person me read the comment. This particular one no is just about the comment because details no wa wonim ya na Ghana police and now say fire service for beka say oh they will come out with the details the entire market ni share eto de bia yete eto de bi so a yenya ente the entire market no share whether a electrical fault and but once Ghana has say no most of the market wo share records no statistics markets are ashisha now ukumwa most of them a electrical problem. Most of them maybe a wiring no because when him say oko market for now massa wiring need there some way it is not properly laid out. So that is the story coming through right now. Kanishi market ashi say just last week minister said do 1 week in poa just last week was a day and a cantamanto say last 2 weeks and a cantamanto so baby she ye baumia e kokosra wo mo wo ho say ye hinti ye say ye be ye new market am mo ne nsem bebre ye be so ya no say Kanishi e honso e jatum ahomache say nkrofo. And you see one thing about this whole thing adia ya wo mu ne say bronya eba. You have just about 5 days to Bronya. Now, Bronya ba ya him say that is the time people buy things a lot. That is the time Ijadifo omo so kofa nyama ba eba beton. Nti mbre we ya obi akosesa na nyama ba eba beton no na eja eba beton dia na tese tiefo ni pakunu wewu. That is ni pakunu wewu. Obi wo ho a bosia e no de kosesa nyama. Obi wo ho a ni sike ni na because onim say Bronya de ye ton nyama. Nti wodi wo sike ni na wo koton wo dan kra na wo de ko fa enyama ba na wo de beton enyama na Bronya de obenya wo nyama back because ye beto nti bi mo sa wo ton ni japade bi wo koje busia bi wo busia chese busia emodu because onim say ye de nka na bro nya ye beto na tre say wo de akwa akɔhye bebi a wɔkɔgye sika no afiri ye na we uti anye ye wakɔ akɔgye nyama no say bro nya abanti wo de be tre say wo de be ye nyama wo de be o beton na tre say nso we nya kakra fim na etie for ade we akwa akosi a lot of people are going through, and you see things like this, to me ma nipa or yare by force. Nipa na sabi BP ni so kra, to me ma BP ban so by force. Because we are seeing in no. But Jin Wenji. That's the sad part of this whole thing. The person we read the comments, they are Ghana for air especially on social media. Let's see what Ghanaians are saying on this particular thing. Obi say, we are from Naki Dede, but the Ghana system is not working. Ghana system is not working. Like, can anyone come and mention people's name for causing fire and would be arrested to bring their evidence or go for some 10 years with hard labor? Don't forget, they have their children and families here because this is a big platform. And stop this nonsense, business accusation. Everyone go to church. I am locking this place. Intino, will be born crowdfunding. Why wouldn't say politics? And I hear bobo political heads being and will be eba bontia because a Ghana there. BBC your name ye the politics and then the master be to the bia and some no ye to me MP ni puma sibre. I say must everything be NDC and MPP whilst people's goods are being perished? Asama will be Ebisano no. I say, oh, not again. I say, are people reasoning with their noses or what? How can a fire occur and instead of sympathizing with the victims, we just assume it is a political party? May Allah give the victims the strength to endure this. See, it is not end there. And a BBC, ya the best political party be. Mama wati asye, Embra na Mahama ye president no. Onumpo dia, it was serious. Almost every week, obete market all across the country. Na market ishe. And we heard what the NDC people, some of them said. Yeah, they share a bimokon. Say political parties be enate say a share and na a tree. And then so AC ewo MPP so womombre so. Womon so finding it. Womon so whatever they can do possible. Say the best share will be con say hey a young crofoi asumisi NIA. And that is how Ghanaians are. BBCBA a politics. For all you know, ebia na ade we kra no nipa bonefuo bi o e no hie chi na wo ye. For all you know, because me kai very well NDC form re no NDC form re so no esi ye e ma wo mo chi nkrofo bi se wo mo de petrol tema committee one market wo mo chi nkrofo bi se wo mo de petrol aba begu wo anako wo mo ba be hye. For all you know, no, those people, they are not even sent by political people. For all you know, nipa inti Ghana, aside politics, no, nipa bonifuo bia ni Ghana biomana, ewudifuo ni Ghana biom. There are people womo trim no, ewudi sem. Ebia, why na adwin say wo kwa kwahye one market space be because say nipa kono woni no asem. Na market nso say ne no kwahye wo bi ne store, e da afeti other stores no. Tibia ne bako ni trim no woni asomesi enya asem o se asomesi metre no nyansa me kwa akohye ne store okohye asomesi store na afei aye kese odanka sa wejane ejana ye kese wentumi ndum no ama ejano a spread it over na nkrofo tie chi de ye politics bobo nkrofo papa din se asomesi na ye asomesi na ye nanso ebia na obi ni obi asem a wenya nti na waye ne saa obi political comments bia will be making a tea. Or say they didn't win, so they are taking their anger to burn markets. Politicians, a Jimmy for Asema will be canon. One will be but we all know what this person is talking about. Or say, I wonder why Kennedy Japan why then? Or say, I wonder why Kennedy Japan is not arrested by now. He claimed he had evidence that the NDC was behind the Kantamanto market, but till now, they couldn't arrest a single person. What I believe is that he's rather behind these things. Into being so, Kennedy Japan in somewhere that no. it's here for very simple. Muntre mo adwo comment box ni mu. Me da ase.